Let's solve 156 divided by 4 using long division. To help us remember the steps, we can use the DMSB method. D, divide M, multiply, S, subtract B, bring down. We repeat these 4 steps until there are no more digits left to bring down. Step 1, divide. We start with the first digit of 156, which is 1. Can 4 go into 1? No, because 1 is smaller than 4. So we look at the first 2 digits instead. 15. Now ask, how many times does 4 go into 15 without going over? 4 goes into 15 3 times, because 3 times 4 equals 12. We cannot use 4, because 4 times 4 equals 16, and 16 is too large. So, write 3 on top as the first digit of our answer. Step 2, multiply. Now we move to the M in DMSB. Multiply. Multiply the 3 we just wrote by our divisor, 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Write 12 underneath the 15. Step 3, subtract. Next comes S for subtract. Subtract 12 from 15. 15 minus 12 equals 3. So we have 3 left over. Step 4, bring down. Now it's time for B, bring down. Look at our original number, 156. We still have 1 digit left, the 6. Bring the 6 down next to the 3. Now our new number is 36, and that means it's time to start DMSB again. Repeat, divide, ask, how many times does 4 go into 36? 4 goes into 36 exactly 9 times, because 9 times 4 equals 36. Write 9 next to the 3 in our answer. Our answer is now 39. Multiply. Now multiply the 9 by 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. Write 36 underneath 36. Subtract. Subtract. 36 minus 36 equals 0. Our remainder is 0. Bring down. The last step would be to bring down the next digit. But look at our original number. There are no more digits to bring down. And because our remainder is 0, we are finished. So 156 divided by 4 equals 39. Great job. We solved the problem using the DMSB method. Remember, whenever you get stuck during long division, think divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Then repeat the steps until there are no more digits left to bring down. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!